In this video, I will show you how to interface Owon's P4305 power supply with PC using their PC software and also using SCPI serial commands. So first of all, what we have to do is we have to go to their website owon.com.hk. We need to type P4305 and we need to go to their product page. On product page, at last you will be able to find user manual, programming manual, PC software. So you just need to click this and download the software. I have already downloaded the software and I have already installed it on my PC. PSEZ control. So this is how front panel of Owon's power supply software looks like. We can connect this power supply using USB or serial port. So let us try to connect this with USB. So you click USB and it will ask for device serial number, which you can find in the system menu on the device. So my device's serial number is 2001556. I'll press OK and it should be able to connect to my power supply, and it is able to retrieve the current configuration on the panel. So it's already on. I'll switch it off. I'll make it 5.0 voltage, 1.25 ampere as a current limit. My overcurrent protection should be 1.5 ampere and voltage should be 6.0 volt. So yeah, I'm able to control the power supply. Let us switch it on. It's 5.0. Let us try to change it. 1.25 volts. Right. Let us try to change it to 7 volt, which is above our 6 volt limit. So it will not allow, and it is also giving an alarm. So let us try to change it to 4.5. So once it's getting into alarm mode, you have to switch it off and on again, and then it will be able to give the voltage output. This software is generic for all of their products, like power supply with multiple channels. So channel 2, channel 3. It is disabled because P4305 has only one channel. They have also provided voltage sweep facility where you can define what is the start voltage, stop voltage, step voltage, and what is the delay between each step, and you can run the voltage sweep. So that is all about Owon's PC software. And now let us see how we can control this power supply using serial SCPI commands. In order to interface this power supply with serial commands, what we need is a serial terminal. So I am using Hercules serial terminal, and my power supply is connected on COM6 and baud rate is 115200. So these are the settings. We'll open it and we'll see how it works. So I have already created one article on my website pallavagarwal.in. If you search for Owon, you will be able to see two articles. One is for programmable multimeter, one is for programmable power supply P4305. You go on this and you will be able to find all the SCPI commands we are going to use in this video. So these are the commands, and let's see how these command works one by one. So first command is star IDN question mark. This is basically in order to read manufacturer's details. So it is giving Owon, P4305, then the serial number of the device, then firmware version. So then let us see how we can measure the voltage. We have to write measure colon voltage question mark LF. So line feed is the character we have to send with each command. In this Hercules, we have to write line feed like this, and then it appends line feed character, which is 0A in hex, after this string automatically. So we'll send this command and we are able to read 0 because our output is off. Similarly, we have to write for measure current and measure power. So let us first write a command in order to make our output enable. So in order to enable the output, what we have to write is output output space 1. This will enable the output. So let us read what is the voltage we are able to measure. So it is coming 5.00. So let us try to change the voltage. VOLTAGE voltage to, let's say, 2.976. Let's see what is the voltage. So we are able to read the voltage and set the voltage. Let us see how we can set current. I want to set it to 1.5 ampere, so I'll say current space 1.5, and we are able to set it. And there is one more configuration, which is voltage and current limit. So we have to use these commands. Setting voltage limit to 25.9. So we are able to set it. So that's how we have to use SAPI serial commands using serial terminal. Now it is very clear how we can use SAPI serial commands and control this power supply. With this information, you will be able to easily control this power supply using microcontroller or any custom PC software. I hope you found this information useful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much.